Have you ever wondered where that blanket, the one that keeps us warm on chilly nights, actually comes from? Is it just a layer of fabric, or a blend of centuries-old hard work, technology, and nature? Imagine this: the cold Himalayan breeze, snow-covered mountains, and thousands of sheep quietly grazing. It's their wool that creates the millions of blankets that protect people from the cold in every corner of the world. But this journey doesn't just start with wool. It begins with trust. The trust of the farmer who knows that every strand holds a future. But do you know how many machines, how many people, and how many stages it takes to turn this sheep's wool into a perfect soft blanket? And the biggest question, how is all this done without harming the sheep? Have you ever thought, if sheep could talk, they might say, "Hey, at least give me a corner of that quilt"? But jokes aside, this is a story of human ingenuity, compassion, and the perfection of systems. A story that transformed a simple wool fiber into a billion-dollar industry. This journey starts in the snowy peaks of the Himalayas and the open plains of New Zealand, where thousands of sheep are grazing. This wool isn't just for keeping out the cold. It's a fusion of centuries-old human craftsmanship and modern technology. Once a year, when the sheep's wool is sheared, the process is completely humane and safe. Modern shearing tools are so precise that the sheep aren't hurt, and sometimes it's even considered comfortable for them. But the wool that comes off is scattered, tangled, and dirty looking. And this is where human ingenuity and technology truly shine. It's sent to factories for sorting, grading, and washing, where it's separated based on length, softness, and impurities. And the washing isn't just about removing dirt. It's also about preserving lanolin and natural oils, which are later used in skincare products. This process shows how every fiber becomes a symbol of human effort, patience, and care for nature. And the real magic hasn't even started yet, because so far, the wool is only clean, no threads, no fabric. The next question is, how do these tangled fibers, with the help of machines and technology, become the blankets that bring warmth to millions? Now we step inside the factory, where the real magic begins when tangled wool fibers transform into threads and slowly take the form of fabric. First, the wool is fed into carding machines, which align the scattered and tangled fibers in one direction, preparing them for spinning. Think of it as the moment when every fiber finds its rightful place, just like a person searching for their path in life. And amid the rhythmic movements of the machine, these fibers harmonize together. Next comes the spinning process, where these aligned fibers are twisted into threads. Here, precision and balance are critical, because even a small error can weaken the thread. Then comes the dyeing stage, where threads are colored in vibrant, skin-friendly shades, using chemical or natural dyes to make every blanket beautiful and safe. Sometimes a bright red, sometimes a soothing blue. Every thread is a blend of craftsmanship and science. After that comes the twisting and combining process, which makes the threads strong, flexible, and durable. Imagine millions of rotations, thousands of hours, and constant attention, all so someone can sleep peacefully at night. Finally, these threads go into loom machines, where they transform into intricate patterns and textures. A dance of colorful threads, with every stitch reflecting the hard work of artisans and engineers. But even now, this fabric is just potential. It's not yet a blanket. Now we reach that crucial stage where the fabric finally takes the form of a blanket. And this is the part that makes your cold nights warm and cozy. First, the fabric is cut to the right size on cutting tables, ensuring the edges are perfectly aligned and no thread is left loose, because a single centimeter's mistake could ruin an entire batch. Next comes the washing and finishing process, where the fabric is gently cleaned in industrial washing machines, using chemical softeners and sometimes natural oils to maintain its softness, fluffiness, and skin friendliness. This is the step that determines the blanket's durability and lifespan. Quality control teams meticulously inspect every blanket, stretch tests, softness checks, washing tests, and thread counts to ensure each one is perfect and causes no issues for any user. Once all tests are passed, the blankets are folded, wrapped, and labeled, equipped with RFID tags or care labels, and then shipped via trucks, ships, and planes to homes across the world. Imagine a sheep's wool blended with centuries-old craftsmanship, modern technology, and human care travels thousands of miles to reach your home, guaranteeing your sleep and warmth. Today's blanket industry isn't just about warmth. It's now a fusion of innovation, sustainability, and technology. The same wool we saw from sheep in the fields is now processed in modern factories with eco-friendly practices, AI-powered machines, and robotic looms, reducing fiber waste and increasing energy efficiency. Modern blankets are made lighter, more durable, and skin-friendly, with advancements like recycled fibers, bamboo threads, and aloe vera-infused layers. And these blankets aren't just sent to India but shipped worldwide, connecting global supply chains and local communities. But if we ignore sustainability, overgrazing, chemical pollution, and inefficiency could make warmth scarce and expensive in the future. So, every blanket now doesn't just provide warmth. It becomes a symbol of human intelligence, nature care, and innovation. So friends, this journey wasn't just about making a blanket. It shows how nature, human creativity, and technology come together to bring warmth and comfort to our lives. The next time you snuggle up in your quilt, remember the hard work, centuries-old craftsmanship, and modern innovation behind it. If you like this video, give it a like and share it. And subscribe to our channel to stay connected, so we can bring you more untold mysteries of the world.